This is him. All right. What's up, man? What's going on, YouTube? Had to take a phone call this morning, so I could not be on the mic, but I am back now. And my one arm trade is looking like it's in danger. We'll see if my stop is in a safe place or not. But other than that, just trying to take things slow, be patient, see what's playing out. Follow the rules. It was a little early to jump on ARM, but I thought it looked like it was holding up pretty well. But as you can see, the SPY, which has been my worst enemy lately, has started to tank and brought ARM down right with it. But Tesla is holding up really well right now. And coin looks really good, really strong. So yeah, we're gonna be real patient on that second trade. Yeah, I wonder if some news came out or something. What you got going on today, Ben? You trading anything? Saito. Lucid got a big got some big money this morning. They got like $1 billion in funding on Lucid. That thing's got a lot of attention this morning. It's already at 31 million volume traded. Yeah, you should check out Lucid, man, if you're into those penny stocks. I'm not saying jump in, but it's very active right now. Wow, SMCI is pumping back over 1,000. I thought about it. I guess that was a decent pullback on the 2 minute. Guess time will tell. just too early to jump in. Wow, there goes coin. NVDA. Alright, I'm kind of liking Tesla. Lucid at 319. It's not bad. Yeah, first target would be probably pre-market high, which is 348. And then you got this area over here, which is like 379 to $4 range. That would be a huge move for Lucid, for it to move that much. If it gets over pre-market highs, though, man, it could get pretty wild. It could get pretty wild. Let's see what Tesla's talking about here. It's up pretty high after this big old move, though. It's like 30. We'll see. You already want to jump out. That 1 minute is sketchy, man. I switched. I'm rolling with the 2 minute today, man. I'm rolling with the 2 minute today. 2 minute looks great, bro. Yeah, look, it look like it's about to go. If you really want to, if you feeling antsy, man, I'd jump out at like 347. Set a limit order for 347. And if you feeling brave, maybe sell half at 347 and let the rest ride to $4, like 398 or something like that. All right, we are in Tesla. I am in Tesla. 74. At 173.49. It's already looking scary for me. Sheesh. Dang. Guess we'll see what happens here. thinking ARM again for another ride, honestly. I don't know how much room I would want to give that thing. It's definitely a flag. 140.51. Alright, and did a thing. I got stopped on Tesla. Sheesh. Yeah, I should have known better on Tesla, man. That thing, it went up way too high for it to be ready to go that fast. It's probably going to need to pull back a lot more or consolidate for a while. I thought of that. $300K seller on level 2. So what you do? You still in there? You gonna brave it out? She's got room. I'm telling you, that pre-market high is imminent. Well, let me stop. I don't wanna, this is not financial advice. I thought Mara was about to pop. Mara definitely looked like it was about to pop. Tesla, you dirty rat. Yeah, because you see that pre-market is coming into play. 173.14. Tesla's out of there. Tesla is out of there. But ARM's looking decent for me. I like what Coin was doing, but it's way too far for me. SMCI is like, that thing is going. I should have jumped in on that pullback. It's like, it's tough when I'm switching from the 1 minute to the 2 minute because the signals, you got to kind of interpret the signals differently. Like, if I saw that on the 1 minute, it's like, but on a 2 minute, that SMCI pullback is, this right here is like perfect. Like, I should have jumped all over that. Pew, straight to the top. That would have been nice. For sure. All right, ARM, don't play me twice now. Don't play me twice. Tesla to close back above VWAP. There goes Uber. Let's see what else is going on. MU's way up there. Boeing's doing nothing. SMCI looks gorgeous. Took off half at 334. Not bad. Not bad. Yeah, man. See if ARM can break through this 142.60 area and move on up to my price target. It has to pull back. It's moving slow and steady though. It's not like it's making any parabolic moves. Like it moved up pretty good in pre-market, consolidated for the rest of the pre-market, and then had a nice pullback at the open. I don't know, man. I think this is some pretty comfortable movement right here. Nah, yeah, bro. You definitely did the right thing, especially with how you was feeling. Like, yeah, man. Ain't nothing wrong with taking the profits. That's been my biggest struggle lately is just taking the profit. I'll be staring at 4 or 5 R and be wanting more and it won't take any off. uh, Come on, ARM. I really want to add right now. Right over this candle, right over 142. I think it's the right thing to do. I don't want to mess up my trade though. That's the longest hold. Hey, congratulations. All right. Well, it might come back down here and test VWAP. If it breaks VWAP, then it's looking rough. VWAP is 321, so you're in at 319. I would imagine. I don't know. Yeah, I think a good stop would probably be like 314. 3 shares. Yeah. Oh, okay. This might be it right here. Hold on to your butts. Come on, ARM. You can do it. 142.17. I don't know. It's looking like it can't do it. I don't know about Uber. Uber ain't got no kind of range on it. Why am I looking at Uber? Uber gonna go like 50 cents. I'm not doing it. Get this mess out of here. Man, SMCI was the one. Hope NVDA comes back and lets me join the ride. What was that crowd? $321 to $326. So that's $5 already. Got a few more dollars in it. Not much volume though. And it's cool. All right, ARM could be throwing me an ad opportunity here. All out at 328. Hey man, not bad. That's above a 10-cent average move right there. Not bad at all. All right, ARM, what we doing here? Yeah, we're gonna stay on the 2. I'm gonna stop peeking at the 1. Dang, man. I'm not in any of the chips. I'm quite disappointed. And they're all going crazy. And I'm red. I'm red. 141.19. 141.20. Okay, got my reload on ARM. Feeling good about that. See how it goes. Now we got to break over market highs. Well, I wasn't red on the position. Meaning it wasn't below my entry. right? It's still trading above my entry, so I'm red on the stock because I had a red trade previous, but my position wasn't a losing position because my initial entry was at 140.53, and so I added at 141.47, which is almost $1 above where I entered in. So that's a decent add. And look at it, it's beautiful. The best plays look beautiful. Like, add it right over this candle, boom, straight into the green, and then add it right here, straight into the green. So if this goes to my target, this is gonna be a nice screenshot. You know what I mean? Of good trading. And if it fails, it'd be like that sometimes. But the SPY looks like it wants to move up too. We just got to get over this high of day, and I'll feel great about getting to my target. We shall see. BA looks like a super good reversal play, but we're not breaking that rule. It totally does, man. BA over 191 with 25 shares. That looks solid, but it's way below all today's trading volume. We will not do that. Oh yeah, good time getting out, bro. Well done. Well done. Yeah, that pullback was serious. Sure was, man. Yeah, that's why I don't play the pennies, bro. I don't play the pennies at all. But they're definitely volatile, man. Lots of opportunities. Okay, we'll see what this arm trade's about to do. Come on now. High of day is 142.60. We're at 40. Oh, there we go. There we go. Come on, baby. Let's go. Target is 144.93, which is quite a bit. Well over 3R. I should just take it all out now. I should take it all out now. I think we got it though. Man, Uber went ahead and shot up too. I guess I could have taken that Uber trade. I sure put an order in there and just canceled it. $314 on Lucid. Okay. Whoa. It's getting scary down there below VWAP. What was that on ARM? 144.09. Okay, so I'm supposed to be taking profit. I think I should have taken profit there. Let's see here. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it'll hold over this high of day here. SPY is looking really strong. All the chips are looking really strong. Definitely broke a rule there, not taking my 3R. Hopefully I will not live to regret that. Yeah, bro, that thing dropped, man. That thing dropped expeditiously. That thing dropped. Lots of volume came in on that one. Man, NVDA is just like, not today. You can check back tomorrow, but it's over today. Ah, yeah. So it's just cleaning you guys out before it goes for the next run, huh? Yeah, I mean, they just got $1 billion in funding, man. I could see lots of people wanting some long term, real cheap on it. It's a lot of volume came in on that candle. Yeah, man. Should have taken that out. I should have dragged my stop up at least and just captured it. I forgot my goal today was to snatch all profits. We'll see though. Man, the SPY really moved up. And I guess ARM only likes to follow the SPY when it's going down. Yep. Ah, man, this is going to be sad. I did it again. I did it again, Ben. I stared at the profit and did nothing. I think I was up like $90. And now it's coming back down. Man, all the way back to 141. Like, come on. Yeah, it's looking bad, man. It's looking bad. Ah, what a foolish play. What a foolish play, man. I can't believe that, Ben. That would have been the green move right there. The red to green move. It's got a lot of selling pressure right now. The buyers have left the building. Yeah, I mean, I basically have a bracket order in. It's just my take profit is up too high. It's a way above 3R, which is supposed to be my take profit. But I'm decent at picking targets, but it just makes more sense to take out at 3R, and then like now, if I'd have sold now, I could be looking, okay, do I want to buy back in instead of sitting here sweating? XTLB. I don't know if I can take my eyes off an arm right now. As if my eyes were holding it up. Wow, that thing is super volatile. Is that $1? 390 to 499. That's quite a move there. This is a nice narrow range consolidation right here, though. Sitting here for 2 minutes. sketch. Mad sketch. Ah, I'm so mad I was in all that profit and didn't take anything. That's like the main thing keeping me struggling, man. Doing that. That's alright though. Oh man, it ran off without me. I'll wait for it now. We'll wait for it now. Three legs up, yeah. I mean, it's all really happened inside of the opening range, though. But yeah, this was the move for sure. That was the one to take the profits on. I'm not denying that. And it's not moving away from VWAP quickly like I would like it to. Like, they not buying it up. Yeah, here comes the stop sauce. Golly. Talk about regrets. That one rule, Ben, take profit at 3R. I didn't focus on that this morning. That was my downfall, man. That's so tragic, bro. So tragic, man. Bro. Yeah, that flush was hardcore, bro. I can't believe that. Just looked at it right in the face. I could have dragged my stop up at least to 2R or something. I gotta stop doing that, yo. Day's about to be over. Mm-mm-mm. Whoa. That's a pretty wild trade. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to get away from though, is leaning on home runs. That's exactly what I want to get away from. Because man, I would have a nice average if I would just take those base hits. You know, I would have a nice average at. I just took those base hits, man. Do the same thing to me every day. Yeah, it's pretty stupid. Everything's been doing that to me every day. That's why I'm just like, bro, just take 3R and leave and just be happy with that. But I don't know. Uh, I didn't even tell my. I was really distracted this morning though. I'm supposed to have my little pregame meeting with myself and remind myself what I'm gonna focus on today, which only taking trades above VWAP. Um, Taking profit at 3R no matter what. It's like if I think there's room to go, then I wanna get that room. But that's the mentality that I want to move away from. I just want to take, I want to take the easy money. 3R was easy money. It actually was $90 in the money, which is almost 4R, and I would have been in a whole different feel for the day. you know, and now I'm making bad trades because I'm upset. Way oversized into this position, and now my stops way uptight. So yeah. But you know what? I guess that's just part of the game, because a couple weeks ago, all I was doing was buying stuff under VWAP. Like, I'd have one good trade above VWAP and then like 4 losses, and they were all trades that I took beneath VWAP. And so I've stopped doing that, and now I just need to start taking profit at 3R, no matter what. If I can get to that, then there'll be the next hurdle. But I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Got a little cushion in the account to pay for my mistakes, I guess. You lost money on a stock that was going up while you were trading it. What do you mean? What do you think, Microsoft? You gonna turn this day around for me? I think you got the potential. Uber was gonna be a nice trade. I really like that thing moved up about $1 from where I would have gotten in at. Could have definitely got 75 cents out of that puppy. How, bro? How does this happen? How does one lose? Was you shorting it? What? Did you short it, bro? All right. 3R on Microsoft right there. I'm taking it. If it goes, I will go with it. Buy a humbug on ARM, bro. Every bar I bought never broke the prior bar low. Oh, I see what you mean. So what? You got scared because it was going down, but overall, the big picture, it was going up. But you stopped yourself out. Oh. Yeah. Yep, that's the the pity game. I remember watching level 2 like a hawk. I mean, I still look at it, but it's just I don't know. Orders come in and disappear so often, man. I just prefer to look at the candles. But yeah, it's a different game, man. It's a different game for sure. Sometimes you just got to zoom out and look at the overall picture of the stock. Yeah. Man, this company, SMB Capital, they're like a prop firm. Man, they swear by level 2 and the tape. Like they're like, I don't even need charts. They can just trade off of the level 2 and the time and sales. I'm just like, I can't even imagine trading like that, but apparently it's done. Apparently it's done. All right, here comes Microsoft to save the day. Bruh, I just can't believe I did that on ARM, man. I had it right there, right in my hand. It's like, how many times you got to learn these lessons, man? They have accurate levels. Yeah, I'm sure prop firms, man, they got so much money behind them, man. They got all the stuff. They got people on headphones, radioing in information and stuff. That's a whole different game there. It'd be cool to work a prop firm. I know, right? I got my order in, bro. My order's in at 3R. I'm not moving it. So I'm gonna just let it do what it do. And see how it goes, man. Just gonna let it go. I'm not moving anything. The only thing I'll move is my stop loss up. That's it. Which I probably should do right now, given how tight my profit spread is. Man, I really wanted to get on NVDA, man. None of these things are coming back down though, and it's really getting too late to try to get into something new. It's 9:36. I got like 30 more minutes. Sometimes I be thinking, maybe I should just start scalping and snatching $20 here and there. But the problem is when you get stopped out and your scalp is just the same or less than your stop out, like your accuracy has to be crazy high for scalping. Or yeah. I feel you, bro. I gotta make more than I lose, though, man. Can't do 20. 2R is like I've definitely considered 2R, but the problem with 2R, like, cause I struggle with wanting home runs. Like I used to always take profit at 2R, but now that I'm like I've been taking profit at 4R, I'm trying to find a happy medium. So I feel like 3R is fair because I can hit 3R pretty regularly. Yeah, you gotta be like that, bro, with the pennies, bro. You got to. Because they flush regularly, as you saw. Yep. LCID is finished. Maybe tomorrow. Yeah. Uber back down to VWAP. Tesla 169. Let's go Microsoft. Yeah. On what time frame though? Because the one wiggles around a lot. The five is a perfect. The five to me is a perfect chart to move up to the lows after each candle closes. Microsoft is looking fantastic. NVDA is looking tempting, very tempting, but it's way above VWAP, and I have no R's left. So it's just me and Microsoft right now. It's me and Microsoft. What's it gonna be? Okay, it's looking the 1 minute, yeah. That'll you'll only be able to stay in one leg for sure, and you won't get the top of the leg. There you go. That's reasonable. Ooh, we been. That was a little scary right there, man. That Joker came within 3 pennies of my stop loss right there. Oh man. Now if that Joker goes back over 425.04, I think we in the clear. Yeah, we just gonna chalk up today. No. We just gonna chalk up today to the final lesson of taking 3R, man. Cause I'll be chilling right now if I took that 3R, man. We'd be like, be negative $10. Click and drag that price up. Nah, bro, we good now. It just came and tested it. Now let's see if it can go. I might chase it up this time, though. I might chase it up this time. Definitely on the 5, I'll chase it up. When that next 5-minute bar closes, I'm gonna chase it up. That'll get me in the break even. So the bottom of this 5-minute candle is 424.51. My position is 424.66. So it's all or nothing right now, though. Here goes NVDA. Lower high, lower low. I don't know. It's not looking very good. Where's the momentum? SPY is moving up. Why didn't I add? Cause man, I can't afford the added risk. My stop is already up as high as it can go. If I add, then I gotta move my stop up into the price action. With ARM, my stop was down here, you know. With ARM, my stop was down here initially. So when I added up here, then I could raise my stop up a little more and still keep it safe, tucked under VWAP, you know what I mean? And then so when I added again here, then I raised my stop even tighter. But on Microsoft, on Microsoft, my stop is way above VWAP already, like as tight as can be, you know. So if I add, I'd have to put my stop like right underneath the price action, like right here, which is like asking to get stopped out, you know. So yeah, you got to manage risk. I try to make sure that when I add, I'm still able to keep my risk at 1R. And yeah. So we'll see. I don't know, man. It's not looking great. What's this? 424.51. I don't know, man. I need a little more than that. It's like, if I'm not even going to move it up to break even, let's see what this guy does. Okay, that's where I wanted to get over. We just need a pop at this point. Like, it needs the breakout. Like, what are we doing? What are we doing? That actually, though, this would have been the best place to enter the trade in general. Or here. I definitely was late getting in up here. Oh boy. That's not what I want to see. Man, look at coin, man. Straight up all day. NVDA gave 0 entries. SMCI and coin, they gave a nice little, SMCI especially. SMCI especially. I was just a little scary. Footprint charts. Nah, I don't look at footprint charts. I know I've heard of them. I can't really. I think I saw a ad on Facebook about these kind of charts. Huh. No. At this point, man, I feel like I'm an old dog. I've been doing I've been looking at price action for 2 years. I don't want to start over on anything else. I just need to it's just the rules, bro. It's just the rules. This arm trade right here, this would be plus $50. If I follow my rules, this would be plus 50. This Tesla trade, I mean, technically the setup isn't terrible. It's a pullback to VWAP with the hammer bar. It closed above VWAP, and I bought the next bar to break to make a new high. But it was just way extended. Like, this run up was too big. Like, it needed to pull back. It needed more than that. So volume on the bar. Yeah. That part does make sense. I've also looked at those that profile indicator where you got the volume bars coming horizontally from the side, and it basically shows you which price level had the most volume versus which candle. And that makes a lot of sense to me too, because then you see the price level, you know, that the volume happened. Which, I mean, you can tell that by the candle kind of sort of too. But yeah, I don't know. I just try to keep it super simple. Volume profile, yeah, that's what it's called. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense to me, that indicator. I don't think my broker has that. I feel like I looked for it before. Volume oscillator. Volume ROC. I don't even know what that means. Yeah, I don't think I got that one. Well, we got a lower high on Microsoft, 425.14 versus 425.32. So, I guess we'll see if we get a lower low here or not, which would stop me out. 424.19. But, you know, hoping for a higher low. Doesn't seem to be much interest in Microsoft. As there hasn't been in a long while. It's just kind of been bumping its head. I don't know. It's been uptrending, though. I don't know. We'll see. It's not that useful on small caps, huh? Looks like ARM is gonna make another go at it. I bet it goes to my target too. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. What's it gonna be, Microsoft? What's it gonna be? I honestly like this over 65 if that closes over VWAP, but I'm not taking anything else until this Microsoft trade, if this Microsoft trade plays out. Think about dropping my risk down to 20 instead of 25. That way I can get 5 trades before hitting my max loss, because it seems like a lot of times my 25 max ends up being 30, like on ARM 2 times, which is from slippage. More monitors, yeah, bro. I had 6 at one time. I got 3 now, but 6 was just fun because I could have like a whole monitor with the SPY on it, you know, for the entire market, and then I could have like my YouTube up on one, but three's pretty good. 3's plenty for me, for real. I would definitely want more if I had 2 though. 3 is like perfect. Man, Microsoft, you suck. Nobody wants you. Yeah, no stuff. What is VWAP? 424.06. Let's see if I got a picture of my 6 monitor setup back in the day. There we go. Big time right there, boy. Yup. Have my scanner up here, my watch screen, my trade screen, the SPY, the cues, and then I have like some YouTube or something playing right there. Pretty solid. Yeah, 1 cent per share. Yeah, that's pretty tight, man. Thing is down now. Yeah, it seemed like these, you just get like a little bit of hype at the beginning and then they just spend the rest of the day downtrending. Definitely keeping the losses small though. What is this thing doing? This is like the worst stock to be in. Come on, man. That actually don't look too bad though. That doesn't look too bad. Yeah, it does. Probably peekaboo right down there and stop me out. Yep, there it is. Yeah. What a loser day, man. Look at that. This was stupid entry. This is a dumb entry for sure. I mean, it went straight up and didn't even pull back 50%, and I'm trying to get in there. Yeah, that was bad. So, bad trade on Tesla. Jumped in ARM way too early on my first trade. And then got in again at the perfect time, added at the perfect time, and didn't take profit. And now it's going. Now it's about to go right now. And I've already hit green or close to break even. No, my strategy is 3R all or nothing. Yeah, that's true. I knew Microsoft was about to stop me out and just keep going. Look at that. Stop me out on a green candle. It's my fault though, man. Share sized improperly, so I had to have my stop too tight. Yep. So this first trade, I got in before my timer went off. Right. So rule break number one. My strategy. Oh yeah, my strategy is green. uh, that's the bright side, huh? Yeah. So rule break one. Great entry, great ad. Did not take profit at 3R, so that's rule break 2. And this was just a break even ad, so this didn't add to my risk at all. So I'm not really mad at that because it just didn't matter anymore at that point. So 1 rule break, 2 rule break. And that's why I'm down more than 2R on ARM. Microsoft was... This would have been a decent entry, kinda, but I share sized. I was late to the party and share sized too big, so I couldn't put my stop under VWAP. So that's another rule break. Red trade. And Tesla, this was just poor judgment. It was way up. Just because it came back to VWAP doesn't mean it was ready for an entry. It's way you gotta. This is like where that Fibonacci comes in, where you need a 50% retracement, and this was like maybe 25. Yeah, that's true, man. It's just really frustrating to know what to do and not do it over and over again, and that literally be the reason you're not rich. But I didn't take any trades below VWAP. So that's like, I feel like that's conquered. So now, if I could just conquer taking 3R profits, that'll put me up the next rung on the ladder. Right? 3R profits and not getting in before my timer goes off. All right, man. I appreciate you making me feel better. That made me feel a little bit better. That did make me feel a little bit better, man. I appreciate that, man. I'm sorry it's at your expense, but very kind of you, sir. Well, I'm really happy I put that max loss in with my broker. It basically, it's like, all right, I get 4 trades. 4 trades. If I mess up on all 4, then that's it. That's it for the day. It used to be I would be this red and I would keep trying to dig out of the hole and end up having a $300 red day. It's cheaper than college tuition. You're right, man. That's really how I look at all my losses. Like, okay, I'm just paying to learn. This is if I look back and I made it, all the money I lost was just education. You know, the cost of learning the business. I'm almost there, I think. I feel like I'm almost there. Just still need a little bit more fine tuning. I really would like to get a strategy together to get a hold of stuff like this, man. Like, how do I don't even... My rules don't allow for me to get into this anywhere except for like this area is like, I don't know. I guess if it was a previous level, I don't know if, well, I guess pre-market high. Yeah, there's pre-market high. I could have, yeah, I could have looked at that and been like, okay, it's holding pre-market highs, and then got in right there. That would have been a short run to victory. Man, you're doing the right thing, bro. You were doing the right thing. Most people get in here, man, and start trying to get rich and throw hundreds of dollars of risk into the market, man, and it gets bad quickly. Quickly. Yeah. Yeah, Nvidia's been moving irrationally for months. it's just it's been moving irrationally for a long time, but some days it gives me an entry and some days it doesn't. I just need to accept that. I'm not gonna be able to catch everything that's moving up. Now SMCI, I literally pulled it up and saw this candle right here, and I was like, man, that looks. But in the moment, it looked like a really wide range candle, and I didn't feel safe about it. Yeah, it was looking like that in the moment, and I was like, that doesn't really look safe. Like, look how big these candles are. Like that right there, that looks crappy. That's a super long candle. But then fast forward, fast forward to the rest of the candles. It's like, it looks pretty good. That looks like a good trade right there. That's really good, bro. That's really good. I'm looking at $25 like it's $2 and just throwing it around some days, which is bad. Man. Yeah, I was looking at MU right there too. I could take swings at some of these if I was like if I had a cushion on arm, right? If I had won this trade and then I look at NVDA and see it holding high of day, then I'd feel comfortable taking a swing, a 1 hour swing at that thing. And I would say if it's extended like that, my target should be 2R. You know what I mean? I shouldn't expect too much because it's already pulled from VWAP. Same thing with MU right here. I was looking at MU right here, and it's sitting right over the previous high and it's holding it pretty well. That's if I had a little cushion there, I could try that and not feel too bad about it, and that would have worked out great. So I appreciate that, Ben. Yep, that's my issue, bro. That's my issue. I'm greedy. Those home runs feel so good, man. But it's like I know taking it 3R most likely is gonna keep going, and that mentality makes me want to take more. But 3R is the way, man. 3R is the way. I don't need all of the move. I just need a piece of the move. So that's going to be my focus this week. I'm going to really try to focus on that along with, what I've been doing. I definitely got to be patient in the beginning, though, man. That first 15 minutes is ridiculous. Like, VWAP's not calibrated yet because so much volume came in. There's so many reasons to not trade in the first 10 minutes, even though the setups look so pretty sometimes, like this arm right here. What that look like on the one? Yeah, like this just looks legit, man. And you know what? The spy dumped though. That's what happened, man. The spy dumped. The spy dumped right after I got in that trade. Right there. And that's what I mean, I'm not gonna say that's what killed it, but that's what killed it. This big red candle right here, that's this. So it'd be like that. It'd be like that. So yeah, tomorrow I'm staying out the first at least 10 minutes, probably 15 would be even better. And take profits at 3R, man. Take profits at 3R. Make sure my stop is always under VWAP. Hopefully we'll have a better day tomorrow, man. Yeah, the strategy, I don't know, man. It does seem like what do you call it? Micro scalping? Was that what it was? Ultra scalping? I can't remember. Rapid scalp. What's it? What's it called again, man? I've heard somebody else call it what you called it that one day though, but yeah, it's basically just like super aggressive scalping. But I don't know. You seem to have the light touch for it. Like you ready to get out of that joint. But scalping within the 1 minute. Yeah, and hyper scalping. Okay, yeah. Hyper scalping. Yeah. Micro scalping. Yeah. There's definitely some YouTubers out there that do it, you know, that you might be able to get a actual blueprint, you know what I mean, with rules and stuff to follow to help make you successful in that mode. But I pretty much built my strategy just watching YouTube videos about price action, and I just kind of found something that made sense to me, which was the buying pullbacks to support bullish stocks. That just made a lot of sense to me, and I just did it over and over again for a long time, and took screenshots of everything, and just kind of started to notice things. Like I didn't even trade with VWAP at first, and then when I put VWAP on my chart, I was like, wow, this really bounces on VWAP a lot. And then I learned, you know, how many institutions trade with VWAP and how many people trade with it, and just kind of developed my own thing from that, which probably is why it's taken me so long, because I feel like I have like this is my thing, like I'm good at it, you know what I mean? But if I didn't have to find my own way, like if I joined a group or something right off the bat, I might have been I might have gotten to my goal a little faster. Al Brooks price action. No, I haven't. Ooh. I'll check that out. I see a free PDF for it. But all right, man. Let me get on out of here, man. I'm gonna do my review video and call it a day. Thanks for hanging out with me, bro. It's a lot of fun, man. Appreciate you stopping by. Tomorrow, 3R. I'm taking it off the table, bro. Like, 3 R's. Gotta happen. I got my hotkeys already. I clicked it on ARM, and then I just dragged it way up like another $1. Just stupid. But anyway, man.